This is my first time public speaking in English. So I'm from France, and I started Kindle publishing 2 years ago. Before that, I was a student. I was studying marketing in business school in France. And for a long time ago, I wanted to change my life. I wanted to make something different. I didn't want to have a paid job. I wanted, like 10 years ago, I was thinking, like, I want to create my own company. I want to create my own business. But I didn't have any idea what I wanted to do, you know. So I tried to, 2 years ago, I tried to find some ideas. I tried to, go to some conference, like real estate conference. I tried to go to, to read books about trading, about marketing and everything. I tried to find ideas on YouTube also. And one day I went to a conference about real estate, and I met a girl there. I met a girl, and she told me, yeah, I started Kindle publishing 6 months ago, and now I'm making like $2,000 per month, you know. So I was like, wow, that's great. I want to do the same as her. So right after that, I went to internet on YouTube. I checked some videos, and then I realized, okay, I want to do that. So I was like, yeah, I had a shift in my mind, in my head. Like, okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna buy a course, and I'm gonna put all my energy, all my efforts in this particular business, you know. So I learned a lot of things about this business, and I'm gonna share with you what lessons I learned with business like Kindle publishing, because this is really, really important when you are a beginner to know this before to start, and then you will learn, through this business also. So the more you will have experience, the more you will become like stronger, I would say. So the 5 lessons I learned to succeed in Kindle publishing and to reach more than 10K per month. So the first one, goal setting before take action. This is very, very important. When I started Kindle publishing, I wanted to reach 2,000K in 6 months, like this girl. It was my model. So in my mind, I was true to myself. Like, okay, I want to do the same. It wasn't a wish. It was a real goal, right? So in less than 4 months, something like this, I reached $3,500 thanks to this goal, because I was very, very motivated. But the mistake I've made then, it was that I reached my goal, I reached my first goal, and then I didn't set a new goal. And it was a mistake, because after that, I lose maybe 5 months, 6 months doing anything. I didn't reinvest money in this business. So what happened is that my income started to decrease until like $2,000 per month. And I wanted to live with this business, so I needed to do something again. So I reinvest money. I was like, okay, I need to set another goal, a new goal. I want to reach 10K, because I saw in Kindle publishing world that people it was possible to reach 10K. So I wanted to do that. I reinvest money. And then also, I create quality books and covers. It means that long books, like before it was too short, I create long books. And for the covers, I don't do it myself, but in my head, everything is, I work on it, and then I give it to my designer who did it for me. So then, if you want to maximize your profits, before I didn't create audiobooks, so I was just paperback and ebooks, and then I decided to create also audiobooks, and which is good, because when you have 3 different formats, you can maximize your profit. Sometimes ASICS is not so good, and sometimes it's KDP, but when one is stable, when one is increasing this month, the one is lower, but it's fine, so it's more stable, right? And then the last thing is leverage. So you need to create bundles. Yeah, okay. So now, success. Success is 90% of mindset. I will say. Because once you know all the strategies, all the techniques and everything, you need to focus on yourself before to create a successful business. If you don't grow yourself, your business won't grow. So first focus on you and you will learn. So know your why. Why do you want to earn money? Why do you want to earn 10K? Why do you want to do Kindle publishing, for example? That's very important. So my why was to be my own boss, to have control on my life, to have more freedom, living my life in my own terms, for example. Okay? You need to also to be laser focused. Once you have your goals, focus on one business, Kindle publishing. I've made this mistake. I publish books on fiction, not fiction. I was on all the markets, US, French, Spanish, everything at the same time. I didn't earn a lot of money at this time. It was last year. And then I realized, okay, I need to focus more now on US market, doing 3 different formats, and don't do fiction at all. It can work, but when you start, it's difficult to be everywhere at the same time. And then always take action. I failed a lot last year. Last year I failed, like when I published books, nothing was working, so I was like earning 2,000K per month. But I failed, I lost money, and then I realized, okay, I need to take action again, but different action than before, okay? So even if you fail, it's good to fail because you can learn about your failure and then change what you are doing and do something different, right? And so being a long distance runner also, it means have a long vision for your business. It's not making money now, it's making money for the long term for your business. So this is really important, and that's why you can reach 10K and then you can reach more than 10K because you focus on the long distance. And finally, this is the most important thing also, is have self-confidence. That's really important because when you're scared, it's difficult to take action. It's difficult to invest your money. It's difficult to change something in your business. So be very confident with yourself first, and then you can take action and you can, have your vision and put action again and again. That's why I say massive action, this is a key for this business. It's simple, but you need to be very confident, yeah. So, yeah, I think I don't have the time to to speak more. So thanks again for me, Emeka, to invite me here, and I hope you enjoy this Cancun Mastermind, and you learn a lot of things, yeah. So thanks again.